Now in this section we're going to run through creating videos for your video course. Now there's two types of videos that you can create for your video course, and the first one is obviously where we're on camera and you can record yourself and make a video with you talking on camera and teaching people on camera like this. But the most popular one, especially for most people who are kind of starting out, and probably for most people even if they're in online marketing already, is to create these screen capture videos where you record the screen of your computer, and you can either do a presentation on PowerPoint or software like Prezi and record the screen and actually create the video that way, so you don't have to be on camera and make yourself look all good and things like that, but you just record the screen. So I'm going to show you in this section how you can do that. And yeah, basically I just want to quickly jump on first of all before we get into the computer and just kind of give you some advice about how to create your videos. I know when I first started out creating videos for my info products, it took me about an hour to create a 3-minute video. Because of my accent, I was a bit shy, and I always I spoke a bit, and then I'd get frustrated with myself because it didn't sound like I wanted to make it sound. So I would turn it off and start it again. And it kind of went like that for ages. I was taking ages to create my first course, and it probably took me like 3 to 6 months to actually create a video course, where now it takes me only 3 or 4 days to a week to actually create a info product or a video course. So the one thing that I've learned over the time that I have been creating videos and being in online marketing, creating digital products, is that you just want to be yourself. You don't want to kind of talk like a robot, and that's what I was at the start. I was trying to sound like a robot and make it sound really professional. But people interact with people and people engage with people. So if you just be yourself and talk the way you talk and just have fun and enjoy yourself creating the videos, it's going to give a better response to the people watching your video, and obviously you'll have more fun yourself and enjoy doing this as a job or creating videos for just to do it part-time or something like that. So yeah, that's my advice. Just create the videos. Don't worry about how you sound. Do try and speak slowly and clearly. That's one thing that I'm learning myself, trying to speak slowly and clearly. So yeah, that's one thing that you do want to do, and really have a set objective to your videos. So if you're teaching, for example, how to create videos, make sure that you don't go off and talk about other things when your video is specifically about that topic. So try and keep it straight to the point and in a step-by-step way that will help people learn. And also one other thing, one of my customers just pointed out recently, is that you don't want to assume that the person watching the video knows how to do what you're teaching them. Often, when you create videos, like for myself, I think I know how to do this, so I kind of rush through the video and say, look, you just do this and do that. But what you want to do is take it from a point of view that the person watching your video doesn't know anything that you're teaching them. So you really want to break it down and make it as basic and step-by-step as you can, so that it helps anyone at all skill levels, and it just makes things a lot more efficient in your teaching. So yeah, so I'm going to jump onto the camera right now. I'm on the camera on my screen, and I'm going to take you through in this video. Alright, so what I did is just created a quick presentation to show you basically what we're going to do throughout this section and what we need to create our training videos. So this is really basic, but I'm going to go through step by step and show you exactly how to do it. So first thing we need to do when creating a training video, you can either use a walkthrough video where you're kind of just recording the screen of your computer, and you can walk through different websites and just be talking and maybe showing them how to use a specific program online or something like that. Or you can use a presentation just like this one that I'm using with a software called Prezi. And I'm going to show you how to create one that's really simple to do. It'll take you like 5-10 minutes and looks really professional just like this. Or you could use PowerPoint as well for a presentation. Then what you want to do is we need a screen capture software. And a screen capture software is basically the software that records the screen of your computer, so that whatever you're viewing on your computer, you can record that into a video. So there's softwares like Camtasia Recorder, that comes with Camtasia Studio, and it's a paid software, but it's probably one of the best softwares you can get to create videos, especially if you're looking to do this for a long time. Then it's great to get that software, Camtasia Studio. There's also some free ones like EasyVid and ScreenR, and if you're on a Mac, ScreenFlow is a really popular software as well. A great thing as well you want to get is a microphone. I've got one right now. It's like a desktop one where it kind of stands on my desktop, called a Blue Yeti, and it's a really, really cool one. But yeah, you can just use, cheap ones from, the local electronics shop. When I first started out creating videos, I just went to, some computer store and I bought one of those Microsoft headset kind of microphones where it's got like a, what they call those things that you wear on your head, those headsets, and it had like a microphone that came around to my mouth from the headset. So you can grab one of those microphones. They work really, really well, and that one had a really, really nice clear sound, and it was only about £20 or so to grab. So you don't need to get a professional one. Just get a cheap one. But you do want to have a microphone, because if you use the system audio on your computer, you'll have this buzzing sound in the background, and it just puts people off when they watch your video. So grab a cheap microphone, and that will do. Also, we need a video editor. So if you do grab Camtasia Studio, you get the video editor and the screen capture software, and they're both joint together, they're integrated together, so that you can record the video, and then it automatically opens up the video editor, so you can edit it right away. So that's the great thing about that. There are free ones like EasyVid, and a couple of other ones you can search online and Google. Just type in free video editors, and you'll find some great ones in there. And that's about it. So let's go ahead and do it. I don't want to spend too much time on this because it's pretty simple, and we're going to be going through it step by step anyway. But yeah, so let's go ahead and create some cool videos. I'm going to take you step by step. So jump on to the next video, and I'll see you there.